New battery I replaced it with. First take off the ear padding, then remove the 4 screws. Carefully pull it apart. There is a center screw under a sticker behind the ear speaker. Just pull it up to get to the screw. Now you can get to the 6mm screws along the edge. And the 4 small screws here. Gently pull off the outside cover. A little turn and the head brace comes loose. Careful of the wire. This black sticker I believe is Bluetooth antenna. Do not damage when pulling it off the battery. Pry out battery. Do not puncture. There are 2 tabs holding on the board. Only have to undo the one. Old battery was a 3.7V 380 mAh, replaced with a new 3.7V 350 mAh battery. Gently pry the battery connection apart. Comes apart easy. Take note on where it red and black wires are. Connect the new battery. Make sure the colors reconnecting in the same way. Line up the battery and press sticker back on. Wires should be behind battery. Reconnect the head brace. Make sure everything is tucked in and put on cover. Replace all the screws. All back together, tested, and everything works.